case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
Ella D. Patten's last will and testament led to a mounting dispute in 1973 after her death, creating the central issue of the Estate of Patten case while creating a landmark moment in Montana inheritance law. Her sons, Donald Patten and Robert Patten, were left grappling with what their mother's true testamentary intent was, after they discovered that no original copy of her 1968 will was in existence. Previously, a court had invalidated another alleged will of Ella's. Now the wrangle shifted toward the disappeared 1968 will, which had been executed properly. Donald Patten, acting as the proponent and appellant, asked the court to allow the probate of a copy of this will. Meanwhile, Robert Patten, the contestant and respondent, insisted that his mother had died intestate and sought official affirmation of this from the court. The legal maze of this case led to precursors of potential jurisprudential transformation. At issue was whether Montana law would recognize the doctrine of dependent relative revocation, a doctrine that allows a lost or destroyed will to be probated if the testator intended to cancel the old will only if the new one was valid, and allow its application in this case. Guidance was also sought on how to interpret the Montana Uniform Probate Code, as Ella had died before its effective date. The district court, however, denied the admission of the 1968 will's copy to probate and refused to activate the doctrine, prompting an appeal from Donald Patten. In a decision that cemented the denial of the lower court, the Montana Supreme Court upheld the judgment unanimously. This was primarily based on the unanimous agreement of the justices that no clear and convincing evidence could be found to confirm that Ella's intention was to revoke the 1968 will, based on the validity of the 1970 will. This invalidated the applicability of the doctrine of dependent relative revocation, leading to a rejection of the 1968 will's probate admission, negating the necessity to discuss any other appeal issues. The lost will thus remained lost in a maze of legal technicalities.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.